Then we have debt settlement. And you might have heard the commercials for it. If you have $10,000 or more of debt, please give us a call and we'll wipe out your debt for pennies on the dollar. Here's how these companies work. You call them up and let's say you owe $10,000 to American Express. They're going to say, stop making payments. You stop making payments and instead you pay the debt settlement company. They put it over here in a fund, separate account. So instead of paying $500 a month to American Express, you pay $500 to the debt settlement company. $500 goes in a separate account. They then pull $300 out a month for management fees. So you put $500 in, they pulled $300 out. You have $200 remaining. After years of doing this, you'll have a little bit of money in there. And once you get sued from American Express, this debt settlement company reaches out and settles it for approximately 70% of what you owe, 50 to 70%. So not only do the debt settlement company take 60% of what you paid them in management fees, you then have to pay back the credit card company 50 to 70%. So when it's all said and done, you're paying like 90% on the debt and your credit is ruined. And on top of that, you have to pay income tax on that savings. It's not a good deal. Rarely a good deal. Most of the time, you're going to pay about 70 to 90% of the original balance and pay taxes on it and probably get sued and screwed up your credit for 7 years.